Welcome to OptinexTech. In this video, we will see how to create fully customizable and dynamic badge component in React. Let's get started. We have already created React project. In that, create new folder named badge inside components folder which contains index.jsx file for components logic and styles. We need prop types package. So, we install using npm command. Then, we import prop types from the prop types package in index file of badge. We start by defining the badge component and destructuring the props. Our badge takes a few essential props, the text it will display, a color for the text, and a background for the badge. We also add props for size, border radius, padding, and even custom styles. Next, we define styles for different badge sizes. This allows us to dynamically change the badge size between small, medium, or large simply by passing a prop. Each size comes with a specific font size and padding. Now, we combine the base styles of the badge with the size-specific styles. This includes setting the text color, background color, border radius, and font size dynamically. If a custom padding is provided, we use that. Otherwise, we fall back to the size-based padding and merge any additional custom styles. Then, we render the badge as a span element, applying all the styles we've defined. The badge text is simply passed as a prop. To make our component robust, we use prop types to validate the types of props being passed. This ensures the text is a string, size is one of the allowed values, and so on. We also set default props to provide fallback values. Finally, we export the badge component so it can be used anywhere in the app. First, we import the badge component that we've built earlier. Now, let's render our first badge. This badge will use the default properties that we set in the badge component. The only prop we pass is the text new. It automatically uses the default color, background, and size. Now, let's add a custom badge with more specific properties. This time, we'll pass a custom color, background, size, and a bold font style. The badge text will read "Success" with a white font on a green background. Next, let's create a smaller badge using the size prop. We'll also change the background color to orange and the text color to black. This badge will be labeled Info. First, here's a simple badge using default properties. The text says new and as you can see, it's styled with a default blue background and white text. This is the basic badge setup with no extra customization. Now, let's take things up a notch. Here, I've customized the badge with the text Success. It has a white font on a green background, and notice how I've set it to a large size. The badge also has rounded corners and a bolder look, giving it a bit more emphasis. Next up, I'm showing a smaller badge with the text Info. I've changed the text color to black and the background to a warm orange shade. It's a great example of how you can easily adjust the size of the badge to fit different use cases in your application. That wraps up our demo. As you've seen, the badge component is highly customizable, allowing you to adjust text, colors, sizes, padding, and even apply custom styles. It's a simple yet powerful way to add badges to your React app. Thanks for watching, and be sure to try it out for yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more React tutorials and tips. See you in the next one.